Hey, it's Ryder. Today I'm going to be reviewing the maxace Serpent Striker V2. I've had this for about a half a year. I flip this more than an hour each day, so I just feel like it's time to make a review on it. So that's what this is going to be. Okay, so flipping this is really nice. It has a decent balance. It's neutral with a handle bias, and I really do like that a lot. It gives it a unique vibe to it, right? It's a little different than other handle bias knives that I flipped personally. It's just definitely really good. Rollovers are no problem. Fanning is, you just gotta get used to fanning. If it's not that hard to fan, it just takes a little more effort. Ladders are not the best because there is no jimping, making it making it a little more difficult. And actually, let's talk about aerials. Aerials are pretty predictable on here, so aerials are good. Scissors, I'm not good at scissors, but yeah, they're decent. I'm bad at parabolics, and I'm gonna screw this up and cut myself, but parabolics are good. Well, I didn't cut myself, but I did screw it up. Parabolics are decent. I'm just too afraid to do them. But yeah, this thing is a good flipper. I enjoy flipping it very much. Okay, so let's talk about tolerances now. No tap. Little play. Good swing on the safe handle. Swing is a little less good on the bite handle, but can't get it perfect. So, tolerances are really good. You're not, oh my god, you're not gonna get as good swing. At first, you have to really wear in the bearings to get that type of swing. But after you wear in the bearings, it is just so smooth. Smoother than bushings, to be honest. Which can be a bad thing because it's easier to cut yourself that way because it's just too smooth. But I enjoy it a lot. Now, let's actually do a quick sound test. I don't know what I'm doing. As you can see, sounding pretty good. Okay, so durability on here is pretty good. This thing is durable. I flipped this in my house, anywhere. The wood, tile, carpet, doesn't matter. I go to the store. I throw the trainer blade on here. And I flip it at the store, my church, pretty much everywhere. And pretty durable. The G10, it's easy to get scratch marks off it. So just rubbing alcohol in a cloth, and you kind of just get it off. And really nice. Really, really nice. Materials on here has a nice G10 spacers, stainless steel liners. It has this blade steel that I've never heard of, but 9CR18MOV. Don't know what that is, but it works pretty well because this thing has stayed sharp for the past half a year, and no complaints about the blade steel. Pretty good blade steel, whatever it is. Now let's talk about the looks. It got this kind of cyberpunk vibe, like Will Hirsch said. The blade is very nice. I like that it has this dip to it. It's really unique. I haven't seen it on a Balisong before. I scratched the blade pretty bad. So it doesn't come like that. It just is like that. And it looks pretty good. It's very stylish, and it's a very sleek look. And the red accents are really nice. So looks are pretty good. So I want to say that for the money, maybe the materials aren't the best. The materials, they could be better. Stainless steel is just not high quality enough, in my opinion. But I don't know really what else they could use. But for other Balisongs in this price range, they're using aluminum. 6061 aluminum, and that's just overall a better material. Maybe if they used aluminum spacers like the Banshee. But it uses G10. So I don't know if it's worth the money because of materials. It's more worth the money because it flips so good. But overall, it's still worth it. The materials aren't the biggest deal in the world. It's not like it's $200. It's only $140 and less. So I do heavily recommend this. Strongly recommend this. I don't know why I said heavily. It's a great knife. It's a great flipper. It's great looking. So yeah, if you can forgive materials, this is a really good purchase. So now let's just do some flipping without talking, because I flip better when I don't talk. So yeah, this is pretty good. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.